So in Chapter 3, Activity 19, you practice that with you practice the intonation patterns, the stress and intonation patterns of choice questions. Then I give you a chance to practice with your partners. But now, I'd like you to practice with me. Is that a good idea? Yeah. Okay, so when we have to choose, we make a choice. Choose is a verb. Choose is a verb. Choice is a noun. We make a choice. All right, so we call these things choice questions. This type of structure is called a choice question. You have two choices. You have two choices, and you rise on the first choice, and you fall on the second choice. For example, maybe you come to my home, and I have two kinds of drinks, and I want to offer them to you. I can say, would you like tea or coffee? Right? And you'll say, oh, I'll have tea, please. And somebody else will say, oh, I'll have coffee, please. All right? So if you have two choices, maybe I have two pens. One is red, the other is green, and I ask you, do you want to use a red pen or a green pen? All right, so I use rising on the first one and falling on the second one. Got that? Okay, so our first question, is Boston in the east or the west? Is Boston in the east or the west? Very nice. Number 2, is Montana in the north or the south? Is Montana in the north or the south? Good. Number 3, is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? Is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? Are there mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Are there mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Which state is a peninsula? Georgia or Florida? Which state is a Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? Which state is south of Missouri, Iowa or Arkansas? Which state is south of Missouri, Iowa or Arkansas? Where is Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Where is Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Okay, good. Now I showed you this map, and you also have a map in your book on page 99, right? So some of you, when I listen to you give answers, I don't think you gave the right information sometimes. So I want to make sure you're practicing the right information and good grammar. Good grammar is no good if the content is bad, right? So we have to make sure the content is right. Let's talk about the answers now. Is Boston in the east or the west? Give me an answer. Boston is in the east. Boston is in the east. Good. Answer. Is Montana in the north or the south? Montana is in the north. Montana is in the north. Okay, look at this map. I'm showing you the map of Montana. Can you see that up there? Far north, it borders on Canada. Okay, number 3, is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? California is on the Pacific Ocean. California is on the Pacific Ocean. That's where we are, right here. California is on the Pacific Ocean, not the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, answer number 4. Are the mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Okay, some of you don't know the geography, so I'm showing you the map again. And I want to show you. Do you see, I'm pointing out Kansas. It's very flat, a lot of prairies, no mountains. However, Colorado, Denver, you've heard of the Mile High City? Denver, Colorado is in the Rocky Mountains. And the Rocky Mountains are very tall. You can see on that map too, the Rocky Mountains. So what's the answer to question number 4? There are mountains in Colorado. Again, please. Okay, let's answer the question. Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Ohio is Indiana. Okay, some of you are saying east and some of you are saying west. Will you please look at the map? You can look on page 99, or you can look at the map that I'm showing you on the screen. Can you see the map that I'm showing on the screen? The purple one is Ohio, and the orange one is Indiana. So what's the right answer? Ohio is east of Indiana. All right, let me hear you say east of. East of. East of Indiana. Ohio is east of Indiana. All right, our next question is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Okay, I heard some funny answers. Is it an island or a peninsula? Oh my goodness. Hawaii is an island, not a peninsula. What's the difference between an island and a peninsula?
Peninsula is 3 sides of the
Yeah, okay. Peninsula is surrounded by 3 sides, so by water on 3 sides, whereas an island is surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, so let's say that sentence again. Hawaii is an island. Okay, very nice. Can you tell me the answer? Which state is a peninsula? Georgia or Florida? Okay, so some of you are changing the geography of our country. Don't do that. All right, if you look on page 99, or you look on the map which I'm showing you on the screen, or this globe that I'm showing you here, which one is a peninsula? On the map that I'm showing on the screen, it's green. What's that? That's Florida. Look at the pink one. That's Georgia. Which one is a peninsula? Florida. Okay, make the sentence, please. Florida is a peninsula. Okay, next question. Which state is south of Missouri? Iowa or Arkansas? Okay, can you see it? Look at your map either on page 99 or what I'm showing you on the screen. Can you see Missouri? Yes, you can see Missouri. Can you find Iowa? Where's Iowa? Yes, you see Iowa and you see Arkansas. All right, tell me, which one is south of Missouri, Iowa or Arkansas? Arkansas. Make a complete sentence, please. All right, we can say Arkansas is south of Missouri. Arkansas is south of Missouri. Okay, I hear some people say salt. but you forgot. Don't forget south of. South of. South of. Right. Okay. Now answer this question. Where's Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Tiny, tiny state. You can see it better on page 99 or on the screen. I'm showing you the yellow state is Massachusetts. And the gray state is Vermont. So what can we say? What's the correct answer? Massachusetts is south of Vermont. South of Vermont. Massachusetts is south of Vermont.